Well, good morning, folks. If you know anything about this channel and you've been around for a little while, you'll notice that this channel pretty much revolves around firewood or some sort of lumber or some sort of tree. Truth of the matter is, I don't always collect all the firewood that I have behind me and I burn in the house. Some of this firewood I actually get for free. Today I'm here to share a little tip with you that will help you get some firewood for free as well. So here goes. So in my area, there's lots of tree care companies, and what those companies do is they go out and they remove lots of trees from various areas. They remove them from houses, companies, businesses, whatever. And they have to find a place to put them when they're done cutting them. Now, a lot of times they'll just chip them and take the chips and do something with them, or maybe they sell the chips or give them away. But there are times where that's too much work for them and too much effort, and so they're looking for a place to dump their old wood. What you can do is you can call them up or send them an email and say, hey, I live here and I have a spot that's easily accessible. If you want to ever get rid of any old firewood, by all means, dump it there. I do that, and from time to time I get a quick text message or a quick email and it says, hey, you want this firewood? And you know what, 9 times out of 10 it's half decent stuff. All I have to do is cut it up to the lengths I need and split it, and bada boom bada bing, I got piles like this behind me. So get that phone ringing. You never know what's going to happen. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to come on back next time and we'll see you then.